This is a short little tutorial on how you can place a hold on a library book here at Independence Middle. The book will then be delivered to your first period class for those students who are on campus. For our virtual students, you can pick up the books any day from 8 to 9:30 at the parent drop-off area. To place a book on hold, the first thing you'll do is you'll go to your portal and you'll find Destiny, our library catalog system. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click Log In. You always log in using your account with the district. Then up at the top, you'll see the word Catalog. Click on Catalog. And on the left-hand side, under Library Search, you'll see Destiny Discover. Open up Destiny Discover, and you'll see the covers of the books. Up on the top, you'll see a search box where you can search for any title or author you would like. But let's use Insurgent, the first book, as an example. If you see the word in green, then you know it's available for you to place a hold. And to place a hold, all you need to do is click Hold. If you decide later that you do not want that book, all you need to do is click Unhold. You may place a hold on up to 2 books at a time. Please give Mrs. Petrosia 3 days to either deliver the book to your first period teacher or for our virtual students to have it ready for you at the parent pickup loop daily between 8 and 10 a.m. The book will be checked out to you for 2 weeks. If you need it longer than 2 weeks, please contact Lisa Petrosia at palmbeachschools.org to renew your book. Thank you.